Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the last day of January 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the last day of January in 2025, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.18. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 22% to a decrease of 5%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to an anticipated change of around 8% over the next year, with a potential return varying from a drop of 30% to an increase of nearly 48%. This equates to a price range of between $3.02 to $6.41 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The price of NIO stock declined by 2.7% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 31st of January, 2025. It fell from $4.44 to $4.32. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.65%, ranging from a low of $4.30 to a high of $4.50. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown some volatility, but there has been a gain of 3.85%. Notably, the trading volume decreased on that day alongside the stock price, which is often a positive indicator, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On the last trading day, the volume dropped by 10 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $158.84 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $7.70, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the stock price sits at 43.9%, or $3.38, below the 52-week high, and it is 93.55%, or $62.67, below the all-time high of $66.99 that occurred on January 11, 2021. NIO Inc. has recently completed its repurchase right offer for its 0.5% convertible senior notes due in the year 2027, successfully buying back approximately $378 million in principal amount. This strategic financial maneuver, completed as of January 30th, 2025, reduces the outstanding debt significantly to $213 million. In the short term, this action could bolster investor confidence as it demonstrates the company's commitment to managing its debt efficiently, potentially stabilizing its stock price. Despite these positive moves, NIO faces challenges amid a fierce price war in China's electric vehicle sector, which risks undermining its competitive edge. Analysts note a mixed outlook, with recent stock performance reflecting volatility. Shares decreased by around 2% recently after a brief rally earlier this month. Concerns regarding NIO's pricing strategies may weigh on its valuation. Long-term prospects remain contingent on how the company navigates market pressures and leverages its innovations, particularly in battery swap technology. With China being a key market for electric vehicle growth, NIO's ability to maintain its position among premium brands will be pivotal for its stock trajectory. Investors should monitor these dynamics closely, as they will heavily influence NIO's stock performance going forward. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and so far it has risen 6.4%. Further increase is indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The NIO stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a broader sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $4.40. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $4.28. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will trigger an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall sentiment. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.2 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 4.65%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.03%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to uncontrollable factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $400 million. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.28. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February in the year 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative signals, suggesting it is likely to continue performing weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we anticipate NIO will open at approximately $0.0533, beginning trading around $4.37. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.